Assalamualaikum. I am Mahmuda. Today I will discuss assigning password on my Cisco router. We use password protection to control or restrict access to the command line interface of our router is one of the fundamental elements of an overall security plan. Protecting the router from unauthorized remote access. Now we assign console password on my Cisco router. Let's start. Select router. Command line interface. Enable configuration terminal to entering the global configuration mode. Type line console command. Press enter. Now my router is line configuration mode. Write password. You assign any password. I assign Cisco. Login. Control Z. Log out. This is my topology. Then when I enter my network, user access verification password. Type my password. Enter. Okay. Verification router. Show run config. Line console 0. Password Cisco. Login. Thanks for watching. Allah Hafiz.